Let's talk about loss of use.
The next part of the policy that's extremely important, we call it coverage D. Some call it loss of use, some call it additional living expenses. It means exactly the same thing. When you have a loss, say during a hurricane, that keeps you out of your home for a significant or even a short period of time, there are expenses involved in making sure that you can maintain your standard of living while your property is being rebuilt.
Keep in mind, the bank wants your payment every month. So now you're living, you have to
Right.
pay your mortgage payment, plus you may have to rent an apartment. That's expensive.
Absolutely. To stay in a hotel for weeks or even months. Some friends of mine personally that lived in South Florida when Hurricanes Francis and Jean came through, both storms 3 weeks apart, that can add so much lag time to the repair of your home, and you have to have a place to stay. You have to have food you can cook and food you can eat. You got to have clothes you can wear. And if all of the above is impossible to do in your daily routine because you lost your house, this is the part of the policy, the important part of the policy that's going to tell you how much money the insurance company is going to give you to pay those expenses until you can get back into that house.
Now keep in mind too, again, insurance companies have taken away some coverage. That used to be 20% of your house value.
Right.
Example is a $100,000 house, you could have $20,000. Now you're seeing some of these companies reduce that down to 10%. So again, look at your own policy, see what you have, and make sure it's enough.
And don't ever underestimate the amount of time it can take to get back into your home after you've had a loss. Some of you may remember, you may know people in Florida and other places where the lag time to get back into the house because maybe contractors weren't available, maybe materials weren't available. There's just no way to know how long it's going to take. So this coverage under your homeowner's policy is extremely important, that you know exactly how long or how much you're going to get when you are not able to live in your home.
Again, give your agent a call, review your policy, and if you'd like a second opinion, give us a call at the Insurance Center of Central Florida. Our number is below.